Hi, I'm Michael Goodman. I'm here in the woods. I can't stay long because there might be some bears around, but I wanted to ask for your help. If you know any ASMR or Foley artists, please call for help. Please ask them to check out the Portcaster by Centrance. It's an amazing audio interface, battery-powered, and SD card recorder as well. It has two very high-quality mic preamps, and it's great for recording outside. I'm very afraid of a bear here. Anytime you want to do Foley like this, or an ASMR show like this, you should take a Portcaster with you outside and improve the quality and add variety to your show. I'm Michael Goodman. I'm sorry I can't stay long, but I do want you to sound good.